Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Coinbase Advanced Trade for lower fees, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in www.coinbase.com and hit enter. Once the Coinbase homepage loads, locate the sign in button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign in button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Enter the email address associated with your Coinbase account. After entering your email, click the Continue button. Next, check your email for a verification code sent by Coinbase. Open the email and retrieve the code. Return to the login page and enter the verification code in the designated field. Click on the Verify button to confirm your identity. Once verified, you may be prompted to enter your password. Input your password in the appropriate field. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a code on your mobile device. Enter that code to complete the login process. After successful authentication, you will be taken to your Coinbase dashboard. From there, locate the option for Advanced Trade in the menu. Click on Advanced Trade to access the trading platform. You are now logged into Coinbase Advanced Trade, where you can take advantage of lower fees. Navigate through the platform to explore its features and start trading. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.